They told me marriage was hard. They said love fades with time. But I discovered something that changed everything forever. My name is Sarah, and today I share the secret that made my marriage sweeter than honey. When I first met David, my eyes saw a handsome man, but my heart whispered something deeper. It spoke of home. I learned early that beauty fades, money disappears. Only the heart stays forever. Many women want equality. They fight to lead their homes. I chose a different path. I made David the king of our castle. I respect him. I honor his decisions. I lift him up every single day. And you know what happened? Something magical and unexpected. He started lifting me higher than I ever lifted him. Men need respect like flowers need water. Give it freely and watch love bloom. But respect alone is not enough. I had to do more. I worked on myself every day like an artist perfects her art. I care for my body, my mind, my beauty. I say the woman he fell in love with. I make sure he finds everything he needs at home with me. Why would he look elsewhere when paradise is in his arms? One day, David said something that made my heart sing with pure joy. He said, "Sarah, help me become better. Help me reach your level. I'm afraid of losing you. You are too precious to me." Can you see? Now he fears losing me. My love made him want to grow stronger. In the kitchen, I learned to cook meals that touch the soul. When I serve dinner, David looks at me like I am a queen. He once told me, "Before you, I thought I loved myself. Now I truly do." We both work hard. We are partners in our online business. Two entrepreneurs building an empire together, side by side. We share every detail, every number, every dream. Total trust, total transparency. We make decisions together. We plan our future as one team. Some projects we accept, others we reject. Always together. Our children see two parents who respect, love, and support each other daily. We teach them kindness, wisdom, and strength through our example. We give them the tools to build beautiful lives of their own. Our home is not perfect, but it is filled with peace, laughter, and endless love. People ask me, "Sarah, what is your secret to happiness?" I tell them, love is not found. It is built every single day. Build with respect. Build with care. Build with your whole heart completely open. When you lift your partner, they lift you even higher in return. When you grow together, nothing in this world can break you apart. This is not just my story. This can be your story too. Start building today. If this story touched your heart, if it gave you hope for your own love journey, show me by clicking that like button. Subscribe so we can grow together through more stories. Share this with someone who needs to hear it today. And tell me in the comments, what will you do differently in your relationship starting right now? Your story matters to me.